What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play HEARTEATER by XXXTentacion. Once you're done with the video, jump in the description below. I've left a lot of really useful links there for you guys. My personal email address is there in case you guys need to get in touch with me. Links to my personal music is there as well in case you guys want to check that out. I've also left some other really useful links and videos and stuff down there for you guys just starting out on guitar, or even for the intermediate players. Lots of useful stuff down there for you guys to help excel your guitar skills. For right now, let's jump into the video. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is only using 3 chords. Your first chord is going to be an A minor. It's going to be your index finger on your first fret on your B string, your middle finger on your second fret on your D string, and then your ring finger on your second fret on your G string. Second chord is going to be an F, so you're going to go here, you're going to bar the entire first chord with your first fret with your index finger, and then you're going to put your ring finger on your second fret on your A string, pinky finger right under that on your second fret on your D string, and then your middle finger on your G string on your second fret. Your third chord is going to be a G. There's a lot of different ways to play this. The easiest way to switch from here to the G is just going to be to move your ring finger down to your thickest string, your E. Put your middle finger on the second fret on your A string, so those two there. And then just stretch that pinky all the way down to the third fret on your tiniest string, your high E string. Now the strumming for this can be pretty confusing. I'm going to play it slowly and then you're just going to have to kind of practice along with it and just see what I'm doing as I'm playing with it and kind of jump in with the song on there, because it doesn't start on the downbeat with your A minor, it pauses and then hits the A minor. So this is the way it's played. I'm going to slow it down for you, so I kind of have a little muted down up in between the chords as I'm changing, if you can hear that. So that A minor is going to be down, down, up, down, and then that little muted, and then so then it's 3 downstrokes once you get to your F. 1, 2, 3. That little in between. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. I'm gonna play through it one more time slowly. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Alright guys, there you have it. Just those 3 chords played over and over and over again. The strumming pattern is a little weird, so take your time. Don't let yourself get frustrated. Just keep practicing that over and over and over again. It might take you a little while to get it, but as long as you're practicing and sticking with it, you'll be playing it in no time. If the video helped you, if you liked it, please leave a like. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Don't forget to jump into the description. Make sure you check out all those links down there. My Patreon page will be up shortly. Once it is, that link will be down there as well. Make sure to leave any comments, questions, concerns in the comment section below, especially if there's any songs that you guys would like me to teach you. Leave those down there in the comments as well, and we'll see you guys in the next video.